In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put ads on your Wix website. Whether you're running a blog, showcasing your portfolio, or managing an online store, advertising can be a powerful way to drive traffic and grow your audience. Wix makes it easy to integrate Google Ads into your site. And today, I'll break the process down step by step in a way that's simple and straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up ads for your Wix site and start reaching the right people online. Let's get started. First, the most important step is to log into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This dashboard is your main control center for managing your website, so you'll want to familiarize yourself with it if you haven't already. Next, take a look at the sidebar menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This menu provides quick access to key features for your site. Hover over the section labeled Marketing. When you do this, you'll notice a list of options related to promoting your website. Among these options, you'll see Google Ads. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the Google Ads management page where you'll be able to set up ad campaigns and manage your advertising efforts. Before you dive into creating ads, it's important to ensure your website is live and ready for visitors. To do this, you'll need to publish your site. If you're in the Wix editor, simply look to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the Publish button, click it, and just like that, your website will go live and be accessible to the public. Keep in mind that any changes you make to your site in the future will also need to be published in order for them to go live. The next thing to consider is upgrading your site. If you're still using Wix's free plan, you'll want to choose a premium plan that fits your needs and budget. Upgrading is essential because free sites do not support many advanced features, including connecting a custom domain. To upgrade, you can navigate to the billing section of your Wix account, where you'll see a variety of plans to choose from. Select one that works for you and complete the payment process. Once you've upgraded, it's time to connect a custom domain to your website. This step is crucial because having your own domain name makes your site look professional and builds trust with your audience. To connect a domain, head over to the domain section in your Wix account. If you don't already have a domain, Wix allows you to purchase one directly through their platform. Follow the prompts to either buy a new domain or connect one you already own. The system will guide you through the process, so don't worry. It's pretty straightforward. Now that your site is live, upgraded, and connected to a custom domain, it's time to return to the Google Ads section. This is where you'll create your first ad campaign. Wix provides a step-by-step setup process to help you get started with Google Ads, even if you've never used it before. You'll need to provide some basic information about your business, choose the type of campaign you want to run, and determine your advertising budget. Follow the prompts carefully, and be sure to review everything before finalizing your campaign. Once you've completed this step, your ads will be ready to go live, targeting the audience you want to reach. And that's it. You've successfully set up ads on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.